guys! Welcome back to our vlog, our Chicago vlog. Sobrang dami ko pang gustong i-upload kasi gusto ko by step and details yung mga pinasyalan namin sa Chicago para masave ko to sa aking YouTube channel, one of my digital diary. So this time, magri-river cruise kami or sasakay kami ng cruise ni Sweetie para malaman talaga namin kung ano ang history nitong river na to dito sa Chicago. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Hinihintay na lang namin na mag-boarding kami. Ayan yung nakaupo na kami yan. Tapos, merong isang magsasalita dyan na te-explain niya lahat-lahat ng dadaanan nung maliit na cruise na sinakyan namin. So, marami siyang stories, nakakatuwa dahil at least you have idea kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari sa Chicago. So, guys, samahan nyo kami. Voice over muna to dahil talagang in-enjoy at din naman namin ang lamig din ng panahon sa Chicago, sa magandang paligid, magagandang building, anong history niya, anong kwento niya. So, guys, samahan nyo kami na mag-cruise ni Sweetie dito po sa Chicago.
Upper deck. We ask that you do not stand on the benches or chairs. That's all we ask anytime. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. So, let's move on. So, everyone, how'd you say? You're the best. So, everyone, right here, if you've never seen the river get dyed, please come back and check it out. I will tell you, that's when we start our new season. But I'm Dr. Imam Fazil Khan, and as the very incorrect in their assumption what the tribes were referring to along the Chicago, everybody. 260-story concrete stems, elevator.
Guys, yan lang yung nangyari sa amin no pagsakay namin ng cruise. Ang dami namin na-discover. Nag-enjoy kami ni Sweetie. Halos umaambon na yan kaya nagmamadali na kami mag-picture. At nang dumaong talaga siya, kailangan na namin bumaba at lumalakas ng ulan. Kaya guys, yan ang isang good experience naming mag-asawa sa Chicago. We're so very excited. I-try nyo yan kapag nakapasyal kayo dito. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and subscribe our channel. See you again in our travel vlog in Chicago. Bye!